आपको डिप्रेशन है, नहीं डॉक्टर ये तो चलते रहता है, दिस इज हैपनिंग, दिस इज माय लाइफ. But remember, don't take everything very lightly. And if you accept it also, remember, acceptance is good, but remember that it's a disease, it is a problem, it needs to be treated. Come on. So now see,
No.
$2 is 150 rupees. You spend 150 rupees on psychiatric patient.
This is
It's like less than a, huh?
converted into their $2 is better.
I don't know. Here I become a millionaire and a billionaire, but when I go back to India, I'll become a poor person again. Next. So, anyways, let's go ahead with this. We don't do too much. Anyway, just the awareness. Okay, now this is we've done this. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. So, just to tell you a little small thing. Every homeopathic medicine has an emotional mental picture. So I have to study the minds of 10,000 remedies. I've come to 2,000-3,000 or something. But 10,000 are left, and then every new remedy to developing this remedy, that remedy, because each individual is unique. Then each remedy picture is so closely related, you have to find what differentiates one person from the other in that remedy. So we have a lot of work to do. Because we have softwares now which help us with all this nitty-gritty, how to compare this, that, how to all the remedies, make it come down, focus and be easy. But nevertheless, we have to make a final decision. We can't say software ne aisa bola, so I build the medicine. Okay, next. Okay, next. Over. So this is just a little awareness I want to tell you about, which is very important, and I hope you. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this off. Let's finish this off.
Okay.
Yeah, let's finish. We don't want to go through this. Just finish this. So I just hope no question. By the way, I'm just talking.
I just want to ask you, it's more about infectious disease, all the examples and all that. What's the role of homeopathy in congenital diseases? Not prevention,
Yeah,
but treatment role and enzymatic disorders
So
related to psychiatry
Yeah.
and all that.
related to psychiatry. I mean, even congenital disorders related to psychiatry.
Yeah.
Like-
Or congenital heart defects,
Okay.
congenital spine defects.
So there is one form of research is known as epigenetics. Not genetics, but epigenetics. So you can modify the genes of an individual through epigenetics. You can see case histories of patients who have improved in congenital heart disease, congenital neuromuscular syndromes, etc. You can have case history and say because homeopathy transforms the genes of an individual to heal that particular individual. Okay, the only way you can do it is test patient before, after. See, full stop. Now, next.
Doctor,
Yeah, good.
question.
Yeah,
As a layman,
yeah.
he is, let's say, suffering from something. How does he determine whether he should go to an allopathic doctor or a homeopathy doctor?
See, so if the layman should know what is homeopathy and allopathy. If he knows both, he has a choice. In our life, we always have a choice. Whether you attend this presentation, safety hospital, or see a nice movie. Whether you want to come to Tanzania in COVID times, or you want to go to Europe and America and nice places, or whatever. You want to just spend your money. You want to buy a cheap thing or an expensive thing. You have the money, but you can decide. Always have a choice. So study. Internet open. Study. Which place to go to? Which hotel in Zanzibar would you like to go to? You have a choice. No only one hotel in Zanzibar. You have a choice. Itna sara hotels hai, these features are there, these features are there. You have beach facing and this facing, and in the old town, in the stone town alleys, this, that. Ancient architecture, modern villa. Choice. Always have to make a choice. Again, this choice is difficult for doctors like me because we have so many remedies, you can imagine. But It's our profession, our passion, my passion. So I don't think it's a difficult task. It's a challenge and very passionate about it. You can do it. So anyway, so you have to have the pros and cons. With the pros and cons, most of the allopathic hospital closed down, but I can't do that because it's a whole big structure behind it. It's like the cigarette industry and tobacco and alcohol industries, they drive the nation, USA and many countries. Okay, next. Okay, this is of course a time to think, but I'm not finished yet. Let's go ahead. Next person. So we do what? Next, close that. And we do EFT now? Enough for me talking.
This.
Okay, now.
You finish an hour.
Huh?
An hour is up.
Okay, good. Now I will stop talking. Oh, somebody has a question, yeah? Yeah, tell me.
So one of the components you talked about was immunity. So what is the role of homeopathic medicine in building our immunities? Because medically we give vaccines. How about homeopathy?
See, all homeopathic medicines are going to enhance you in every way. They just don't act on the local organ, that's, whatever local infection, local part. They act on the mind. They act on the core of the body and they influence the mind, the endocrine, the psycho, neuro, endocrine, immunological axis. So you are a much stronger person in many ways than you were before. Maybe not physical strength, I'm not talking about that, but stronger individual in many ways than before. You have a better life. You have a more fulfilled life. You can fulfill your. What the best thing a patient can tell a homeopath? The doctor writes, my life has completely changed. I'm able to do things which I wanted to do but I couldn't do before. For me, that's more important than saying that, that I'm just better, my pain is better, this is better, that's fine. I had a patient from Tanzania, first patient of mine. He came to me, he had some problems, we can't disclose. But the first thing he told me, his doctor, I said, how are you? He says, the main problem is not gone yet, it's just starting. I just got 5 days now. But I am sleeping much better than I've ever slept in my life. I have more energy now and I have very good sleep. Food, shelter, clothing, sleep, sex, very important. They are the basic necessities of human life. And if we can sleep better, what more do I want? I know my remedy is acting. I know 100% his problem is going to go. I told him, now be assured, in some time your problem will be solved as well. Soon. In 3 days' time, if a person's chronic sleep disorder is vanishing and he has more energy, what else could you ask for? I was thrilled. And of course, he was happy too because no sleeping pills, nothing. Life is the same, but he's improved. Nothing has changed outside, everything changes inside. Okay? So, alright, I think enough of homeopathy. Now let's do something called EFT. This is very interesting because now I talk less, no? And you all have to talk more. Work more. So you are sitting there bored, no? Want to do some action, no? Activity. It's a very boring, cold lecture. Okay, now let's do emotion. EFT stands for this, okay? Also known as tapping, because what you're going to do is tapping. You're going to use your own body. So what does this EFT means? You might be thinking it's like too much. And as Masood said to me some days ago, it means electronic front transfer. So I never realized that. I said, wow, good, man. So that this EFT has another form. So I have to explain. I just can't say EFT. Okay, now how do you tap? And what do you tap and why do you tap? What is this therapy? Now see, there are some therapies you go to a doctor and some therapies you can do on your own. So this is a self-help therapy. Something you can do on your own. So let's see what is that you can do on your own. You eat on your own, right? And also heal yourself. You can heal yourself. Your body, you are your best doctor. You know yourself the most. You are aware of what you are. No one else is unless you tell them. Come on. So, anyway, this we won't go. But there's something like, a body made of energy. When you're born, you see energy. You see children full of energy. And when you go to school, college, the energy goes down. And when you work, energy goes more down. And then no energy. No energy is when you die. When you have no energy, you're dead. Okay? Like your battery, battery has died. I don't know why they say battery has died, mobile has died. I mean, there's no burial service, but it's dead. No energy, no power. That's when. So what do we do to this power? Why does this power have failure? Or why, if the power doesn't have complete failure, I say partial failure. I mean, battery is there, but it's not 100%, 6%, 20%, 40%, 80%. Why not 100%? Why? So the human body is a system of energy channels. Now the body's energy channels means, sorry, I'm holding this cup for too long. Because I need to use my hands for this. So energy channels means it's like the network you see of telephone lines, of data, and everything is flowing through your body in energy channel way. So when these energy channels are blocked, you know how your network is blocked, there is a cable failure. So what happens? The other parts of the body where the cable supplies to, or in the body they supply energy is blocked. That part doesn't receive energy, so the energy in that region becomes less. If the energy in that region becomes less, the body, the part of that body which is less in energy will start suffering. That is what is disease. You understand? So every disease is just a disruption in the body's energy levels. Understood that? Any questions? Any questions? No? Yeah, Guru?
Just want to remove my doubt. If a patient is suffering from malaria,
Yeah.
so the homeopathic medicine can cure that person's individual malaria. Can cure.
Yes, I've been cured and many patients are not big deal.
Any sample of this homeopathic medicine here?
You want a sample?
I just want to see. You have it here.
Your people don't know what's homeopathy. Where's the sample? I got samples, but in the car. So I'll show you if you want. I got 300 bottles. So A to Z.
And is it made from herbs or something, or is it made from chemicals?
Everything, but no chemicals. Because most of chemicals are dangerous, so we don't make them. Maybe we can. I hope they don't make it because there's too much more remedies to study. So we make it from the mineral kingdom. There are science students here, the periodic table from helium, hydrogen, right up to the radioactive elements, the 110 elements, that is there, and the compounds. That is another thing. Sodium chloride, sodium phosphate, sodium, so the whole elemental kingdom of elements, nature elements made of. Then comes the plant kingdom. Oh my God, that is vast. The plants, I don't know how many plants are species. I don't know, but it's vast. I'm studying the plants now, and the remedies like rose family. There are 25 roses and so many roses. Californian rose, wild rose, this rose and that rose, and and each one is different. And how, and the cucumber family, the chicus, then some fruit, some not fruit, some mosses, everything, plants. Everything in plants, okay? Your trees, your coconut tree, your palm tree, your mimosa plant, your money plant, everything. Everything is a remedy. Then animal kingdom.
And how about the cost of this homeopathic medicine? Is it higher or lesser than the normal medicine that we take?
What do you mean by cost? I didn't know.
Cost.
Price.
Cost. Of the medicines or the consultation?
No, medicine.
Okay, the medicine depends on the pharmacy, how much they're selling it for. So in India, they sell a bottle of medicine for 50 rupees. The same bottle will be sold in UK for 500 or 1,500 rupees. So it's all country dependent. So that's all a very economic thing that
What I'm asking
is where.
example, if you take malaria, in Tanzania, example, malaria medicine costs 5,000 shillings.
How much is that?
$2.
300. 150 rupees. 150. Okay, sorry. Then
How about the homeopathic medicine? Would it cost more or less than the normal medicine we?
so first of all, Tanzania doesn't have homeopathy.
No, let's talk about
Let's talk about India. cost of treating any disease with homeopathy is lesser than any sort of treatment in modern medicine. I treated my COVID patient, one and only case because I don't get many cases. So one COVID patient I treated completely, tests are there, the reports are there, 3,000 rupees. So that's
50.
Huh?
like
45.
Oh yeah, that's 100,000 Tanzanian shillings. I got 1 lakh he gave me. But I unfortunately I was in India, he gave me only 3,000. And 3,000 complete treatment. From COVID positive to COVID negative. Patient okay, patient doing everything, patient fine. So in India, if you do COVID, you are going to go down by minimum 70,000-80,000, 1 lakh to 10 lakhs or plus. And depends how complicated the case is. Even normal case would be about 40 rupees, not Tanzanian rupees. Over, right? Very cost effective. Now you have put all this down on the board downstairs. All the departments will be closed permanently. Only surgical department will open because something has to be done. Accident, emergency, niche ka ground floor. All the rest top floors will be empty.
I want to ask that
Huh?
why does people prefer more doctor and not the homeopathy?
But they don't know.
Why?
Like why? And another thing that
Why do they prefer? They don't
I
know.
also listen that the homeopathy is like a slow process.
Who has experienced that? Anybody experienced that? Will come and tell me. Okay, one experience is there. Only one experience?
I've experienced.
Okay, two experiences, yeah.
I think time is a factor.
No, I have other patients here. They are, because of India, otherwise, and they are my patient, my friends, my patient, but they know what
No, what
homeopathy is.
about
Ask us. We had gone to Tanzania. Okay, sorry, that is Zanzibar. Zanzibar, she had a severe eye infection. One eye had went very bad. It was, I don't know, any ophthalmologist here?
No, not today.
Not yet. Okay. So, because I'm not an ophthalmologist, but I'm a homeopath, and she's my friend, and she gone to Zanzibar, and there's an emergency. Abhi kya karne ka? Anyway, I treated her. You can ask. Smita, can you tell them?
Yeah, actually he gave me medicine of
How many days?
2 doses. That by evening he gave me one and night one. By next morning I was like 50% better. Then he gave me 2 more doses of another medicine the next day, and it's pretty fine. That's why I used to wear lenses. Now I'm wearing specs. But now I'm like
She had just a minute. She had a congested eye wall, which was conjunctivitis, and she had blepharitis because the eyelid was infected and become swollen. And her whole, it was like a dangerous thing. If you go to an ophthalmologist, you say, if you don't treat it now, you lose your eyesight because the cornea will become infected. Anyway, I don't believe in all that. I believe in
the
treating
whole
the patient.
eye was like,
So when I treat the
things
patient,
coming out of my
this is-
eye, it had gone.
This is
closed
just a
down.
2-day example. Then
And
I
Ram
had
had
this
seen
case.
it.
I had
Ram
this
was
case
there.
of a couple of years, and he's come to me, and I just spoke about him. He's my first homeopathic patient in Tanzania, Dar es Salaam. He's better. So in 5 days' time, his sleeplessness of years. I don't know. I just
Maybe I
say.
think it's like a myth that that homeopathy says.
So there are a lot of myths. I'm here to dispel some of the myths,
Yeah.
especially on mental wellness, homeopathy. What homeopathy?
Are we looking at homeopathic medications similar to traditional medicine, something?
No.
No.
Traditional medicine are basically crude substances or substances with nature. They mix or they put separately and they're given in certain doses for certain ailments, which are very beneficial. Like you might have, I don't know whether in India they have the kitchen. Chinese traditional herbal medicine. The kitchen is your pharmacy, and all the remedies are found in your kitchen. Like you have turmeric and you have this.
Even
spice
in
and that
India
spice.
they have that.
So they have a lot of things, like we have so many things like garlic and ginger and everything as remedies. But that's sort of basic. But when you do it you really become a doctor in these things. You have to know how to mix, what proportions, how much of honey, how much of this, how much of that. It's like cooking, but it's not cooking; it's medicine.
So tell us, doctor, can allopathy and homeopathy journey together?
Of course,
So this is what you need to.
We have to have an integrated system of medicine. I am not putting down allopathy. Remember, this lecture is not about putting allopathy down and raising homeopathy. I don't want to do that ever. See, we have to coexist. As I said, for emergencies, accidents, certain things, allopathy is far superior. No doubt. You won't go to a homeopath and say, I got a fracture in my leg and do something. No, you go to the orthopedic surgeon. And you can take homeopathic medicine, but you have to go to an orthopedic surgeon. If you have cataract and it's all ready, you have to go to an ophthalmologist to remove the cataract. You can't say, I'll wait for homeopathy to restore my eyesight. But that means let us integrate them. Let us not put anyone down. That's what the word is doing, not divide and rule. Homeopathy acha hai, homeopathy kharab hai, this is good, this is bad, this is ugly. Don't integrate. We want holism. And holism means body, mind and soul of all people together working as a whole. How can you make Sefi Hospital the number one hospital in Tanzania? Is only through holistic medicine. Modern medicine, they're all financial hubs. You won't do anything. You will treat patients, but you'll make money, but nothing else. They'll come back to you. They'll come back to you. They'll come back to you. For the rest of their life. Where is that holistic approach? You might say, I'm so nice with the patient. I'm treating the patient, I'm polite, but there's no holism in that. That's just human behavior. Understand the patient. I don't know why the schism exists between modern medicine and homeopathy. Let us bring it together. Let us think that we are like, I go to orthopedic surgeon, I talk to him, I tell him, what do you think about this case? What is happening pathologically? Tell me what. He knows better. Definitely knows better. He's more equipped. He's specialized in orthopedic bone. I don't even know maybe what is the technical thing. It might be a rare disease, but he knows. I'll tell him, I'll give homeopathic medicine, monitor his progress, please. Tell me whether he's improving or not in your parameters. Let me see the patient. Let the patient also tell me what's happening. You tell me what's happening. Let's do everything together. Yeah.
What about side effects? Like pharmaceutical medications have side effects. What about holistic?
So as I said, when I list down the effects,
Yeah.
Masood will have to start a homeopathic OPD in this hospital. And if he does that, I assure you, there will be much more happier, healthier patients. Not only healthy, but happy.
What about, are there...
No side effects.
Are there industries specifically manufacturing?
Yeah. You know what? India is a hub of homeopathy in the world. It started in Germany, but India has the largest number of homeopaths, homeopathic colleges, and excellent homeopaths. Not me, but excellent homeopaths. The top teachers in the world come from India. But it's really good. You take it from me. I have not only experienced it, I've witnessed it, I'm in it. Of course, I'm prejudiced. You might say I'm prejudiced, but you take it like that's why I asked her. I asked somebody else. I can't be my own judge. So see, in India, I mean, all that I've done. Okay, now this vaccination thing. So I have not vaccinated my daughter. She's 15 years old. Not vaccinated. She was given BCG. Because I didn't know it was given at birth, but if I had a chance, I would say no. So nothing else. So, I'm not going to take the COVID vaccine, even if they give it to me free. Most homeopaths don't. So we know what is it. It is not vaccination. I mean, how can a foreign substance protect you for life? It's something like a foolish gimmick. It's like, a 5 billion population in the world. 5 billion?
7
billion now. 7 billion vaccines. What a market. 7 billion vaccines. You made it. Done. One COVID, you become a multi-trillion. I can't even pronounce those figures. It's too much for me.
Masood Bhai will tell you.
That's why I'm looking at him because I don't know what comes after that trillion or what.
I don't mind as long as they do the electronic fund transfer to my account.
It comes with benefits, no? These are benefits. I also want money. I'm not saying that I want to do everything free. I do free for those who are deserving. But why should I deny myself the benefits from those who can pay? Because they're getting a benefit. I'm giving them something. I'm giving them health. They're giving me money. It's a cost. No, you have an exchange of energy. You can't do that.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Homeopathy is older than allopathy? In
No,
terms-
no.
In terms of the science?
1796 homeopathy.
When it started. And allopathy was much before?
I was not known as maybe allopathy. It was much before.
Yeah.
So it is like this.
So I
You
would
have a
say it
system.
did not gain ground or it did lose ground, homeopathy. Why is it that allopathy became popular?
Okay. Now, allopathy is based on antipathic principle predominantly. Allopathy. If you have acidity, you take an antacid. If you have pain, you take a painkiller. Or inflammation, you take an anti-inflammatory, or you take a steroid. So the process is in general one part. Second thing is this very so-called very scientific. You have science, you have research, and PhD, post-PhD, you have a lot of research. You have journals, you have pharmaceutical industries. Oh my God, pharmaceutical industries, they are the, as I said, supporters of governments, the drug industry. So they have new drugs, and I'm not saying they don't do work, they do a lot of work. It's very difficult to get a molecule out. It takes millions of dollars to get a drug which costs 10 rupees or 5,000 shillings. It takes millions of dollars and 10 years to get that drug, and you get it for 5,000 shillings. It's a big job. But they know that they are scientific, but it doesn't help. Everyone knows that. You see it. Talk about science, but what is facts? People are suffering from side effects. People are having problems. People are not cured. End effect. If you are not cured, what is the use of treatment? Okay, I can't cure everyone. At least I'll cure 70%. But if those 70% are not cured, they're okay, they're better, again, getting better, worse, what is the use? A heart patient is told, now you got heart disease, there is a doctor, where can I stop the medicine? No, for life, till you die. Diabetic, till you die, diabetic. So, what is cure? Is it just that I'm doling out medicine? Am I a medical shop? Like, give me a prescription for life. 55 years ka dawai le lo. Take the medicine for 55 years. If you die before that, you get a refund. So no. It is not economics, and if medicine is economics, it's the wrong way. Medicine is a service to humanity. It has to be fulfilled. It means I must get my financial rewards, my other rewards through it. I will gain money from it. I can't do charity unless I get my sources from outside. I can do just charitable medicine all the time. But otherwise, it's an exchange of energy. There's nothing wrong in treating patients and taking money from them. As long as you're doing a good job. Yeah.
My question comes again. I'm sorry, I'm asking about the traditional medicine, because what happened, the way you say you treated a COVID patient, we had similar cases here in Tanzania.
Yeah.
Our
Okay.
president told the traditional we should
Very good. Wonderful.
should give more energy on traditional medicine. So how do we differentiate, because a lot of patients were treated here with traditional medicine, and he's giving a lot
Okay,
of
now, okay, that is why I'm going to answer this question, because now we're going to the intricacies of homeopathy and I want to get out. So I'll answer this question. Homeopathy is based on the fact that it is energy. So what you have in the pill bottle is energy, which is in the form of pills. You can't see energy, no? But it's there. You can't see electrical energy, but it's there. You can't see solar energy, but it's there. Energy. Because this is the science. A medicine is diluted with alcohol, water, or sugar of milk 100,000 times, which goes beyond something known as the medicals and science Avogadro's number, which is then becomes matter gets transformed into energy because there is no matter left. If you test some homeopathic medicine, there will be no molecule left. You only have alcohol molecule because it's made with alcohol. And if you test it for a specific generalized test, it will be positive for steroids. But if you do a thin layer paper chromatography, there will be no steroid in that medicine because it is common, like this substance are false positive. Okay, there's something called false positive. But if you really see, there's no steroid because the gold standard test is thin layer paper chromatography. It says no steroid, it's just energy. You can have, that's why I have 10,000 energy forces with me, so may the force be with you. That's why I can do things for my patients which I can't sometimes even believe that I've done it, or not I've not done it through me, or the medicines. I mean, for me, every case is really challenging and every. So you'll never know it's going to go this way or that way, but those which really improve, and you can, it takes time to find the remedy. You don't know. It's not so simple as that. Not A is equal to B, and you just come there and you just see the person and give him something which is cure for life. Life is very. So I'm not saying that homeopathy, once you get the medicine, you're cure for life. You have to come back. You will have this at when you're 20 and you're 40, you have this, and 70 you have this, and you have another problem, this problem. Your relationships change, your social life changes, your financial life changes, your educational life changes, everything changes. And you are changing, you're dying, you're living, you're dying, you're living. Your cells are dying a quick death. Every time, every second you're dying inside. And again cells come up, but you're dying. Finally you'll die completely. Okay? So, body's changing, mind's changing. So they dilute it. They dilute it. That's the difference between homeopathy and other forms of medicine. The energy medicine. Now nobody believes that, but this is what it is.
Will you be in Tanzania for a couple of days or?
No, now leaving 22nd.
So you are doing consultation here?
I am, but I just have 1 day left for consultation, just tomorrow. So that's what. Now we go through this. We have time or no?
Yeah,
Masood?
10 minutes to go.
10 minutes to go.
Okay. 10 minutes to go. Okay, who has a problem? Who wants to come up? Who wants to be the bakra? Come. Very good. Come.
Just use spoken.
So what's your name? Mohammed. Mohammed. Okay, what is the problem, Mohammed? Okay, let's sit. Let's do sitting.
There's no any problem with this.
Okay, let's say the biggest problem
Yeah,
is
anxiety.
not me, huh?
Anxiety.
Sit. Anxiety. Currently anxiety?
Well, little bit. Yes.
Little bit. Little bit. So just tell me, no. Talk to me as a friend. I'm not a doctor now. I'm just like a friend.
Having some family medical issues going on at the moment. Job having a little bit stressed out. All things getting combined at this point of time. So yeah, a little more anxious than getting into fast heated arguments.
So what is the top thing which is bothering you? Suppose I tell you, the first thing which you want to remove, which is
I
coming
want
now.
to go back to the normal life.
No, that's the big thing.
So that is the only thing I want.
Yeah, but that, it's a big thing, Like, I want to go back to India, it's a big thing.
So let's just focus on.
No, let's do, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There are 1,000 problems. Okay? Let's start with the problem. The first thing, which is the most difficult problem in your life. You're married, no, don't say your wife.
Yeah.
Don't say that. I can't remove your wife. Don't say anything. You can say your wife also. You can, yeah. We are doing it right in front of you. Either he will disappear or his wife will disappear. I don't know what will happen. Huh?
Wife is my patient. I'll counsel her.
You already have solution. Now go back. Bolo, jaldi bolo.
Well, I don't know what is like exact root cause.
If you don't know, then how will I know? Babu?
So no, I'm telling I got anxiety as a problem, right? now.
Anxiety is a very big word. I
Okay.
don't understand
And,
anxiety. I'm not a psychiatrist.
Stressed out.
What is stress?
Not
Don't use
getting
words.
the-
Don't use
yeah.
words. Don't use words. Okay? I'll tell you. Don't use words. These are words can deceive you. Words deceive you. Deceive me. Deceive you. Deceive everyone. No words. Feeling. Soothe hardship. You understand Gujarati?
Of course.
What is happening? Don't tell me anxiety, depression, because I don't understand. What is happening to you?
Don't just put it this way.
No, close your eyes.
Let's say I'm not in my normal life at the moment. Alright? because there are a lot of problems happening. Lot of
Now you're not normal.
Yeah, at the moment, yeah. Okay.
તો પહેલું શું છે?
So પહેલું એમ છે કે let us get the things which are out of the normal back to the normal. One thing, let's say, wife's medical problems.
Huh?
Wife's medical problems.
How does it affect you?
Of course, it affects my routine,
How?
my mental
Why
stability.
is medical problem affects your routine? How?
In the way that પહેલા આ મને સોચવાનું નહોતું.
You didn't have it before, correct?
Yeah, barabar
But
છે.
how does it affect? What will affect your routine? What,
What happens because of that?
Ah, bolo,
okay.
bolo, very good.
I get stressed out કે ભાઈ હવે મેં શું કરીશ,
हाँ, see that?
કેમ નથી થતું, ક્યારે થશે, કેમ મેં આમાંથી નીકળીને પાછું કંઈ બેક ટુ નોર્મલ થઈ શકું છું. Because of that, of course, things are getting disturbed at home also, because her presence is not there.
Huh?
Her presence is not at home.
Why?
She was there.
Oh, she's in hospital. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're only. Let's go and meet.
The patient is there.
She's okay now or better? Good, good, good. Okay, then?
તો આ એક પ્રોબ્લેમ છે તો મને તો નીકળવાનું છે આમાંથી.
No, you and your wife. First, your wife should
Of
come.
course, when she comes.
But why are you so affected? શું થાય છે અંદર તમારા દિલમાં, તમારા બોડીમાં, તમારા મનમાં શું થાય છે? તમારા વાઈફ હમણાં હોસ્પિટલમાં છે ને what is happening to you?
મને એમ થાય છે કે
હા, બોલો.
કેમ પાછું આપણે નીકળી કેમ શાયદ એમ કે શું થઈ ગયું પહેલા તો શું થઈ ગયું શું કામ થઈ ગયું. I don't have the answers for that. શું કામ થઈ ગયું, right?
Even I don't.
Yeah.
So let's not go to that area. I mean, you know why I'm sorry. You know, I'm not testing him. I want it to be for everyone because everyone has the same thing. If I also sit here, I will also say the same thing. Maybe I started words. I am feeling moody. And I say, what is moody? So what I'm trying to say is, let us understand how we can take our problems out to another person or to ourselves. Forget other people. We should know what we are. So મને ખાલી કેવું what is the feeling? Forget all the words. Just say, close your eyes and say. હવે શું થાય છે? હમણાં શું થાય છે?
Because
કેવી ફિકર એટલે શું થાય છે? ફિકર also is word. You're worried about your wife.
of course.
On a scale of 0 to 10, how much is the worry? 0 means no worry.
Around 8.
8. That's quite a lot, right? Okay, check. So everybody will do this for him, for Muhammad, and I will teach him. I will teach you. We'll all do it together. Let's see what happens. Okay. We are doing EFT. Okay, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I will send you the video. You'll see it and tell you the whole thing. You see it. Let us do now. Let us do. Not talking. Joe. Everybody can see me. If you can't see me, adjust your positions. Even though, bolo.
Right or left?
Karate chop. Any hand, any place. Karate chop one. Karate chop, 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 chop. You're chopping the problem. No? You don't want the problem. Even though, bolo.
Even though.
Even though I'm worried about my wife's problem.
That's not
Wife's problem.
Yet, huh?
They can't say that.
Wait, we will put it.
I understood. But he's the
What's the
patient here.
My wife problems.
So,
I actually, you know what I want to do
That's
is,
me.
you understand this.
Not the other way.
It has happened very often. I'll tell you before. You. It's very good. The people start doing EFT for Muhammad, but their problems are solved. Their wife's problems are solved because they've been tapping.
yeah.
So it's so remarkable. This is the best part of this EFT. I'm doing EFT. Patient is being. My problems are getting solved. Patient problems are getting solved. Patient can't बोल नहीं सकते कि you solve my problem. He said then you give me. I won't pay the fees. So I'll be very happy about it.
So we agree that we are all working for Muhammad.
Yeah, very good.
Alright.
Now this is what she says. So you have to thank them. Shukr ada karo, shukran. If I don't thank them, you don't have to forget it. Even though I'm worried about my wife's problem, I wonder how things will get normal again. Yet I choose to deeply love and accept myself. Even though I'm worried about my wife's problem. When will she get normal again? Why did it happen to her? Yet I choose to deeply love and accept myself. Even though, बोलो हमें.
I
Even
Continue, same thing. Bolo.
even though I'm worried about
I'm worried.
Amar's wife's problem.
Yet I choose to deeply love and accept myself. Now, this karate chop is called set up statement. Means this is what your problem is in precisely. You know, he is worried about. Now, if I tell him to be precisely my wife's fever, or my wife's stomach problem, or anything specific. So be very specific to the problem you have. We have a headache on the right side, say right sided headache, this part of my body which is paining. So what is happening, to be specific. That is what I want you to all do. Okay. So that's it done. Then you will tap here. Beginning of the eyebrow. Beginning of eyebrow is the hair over your eyes, hair, eyebrow. So you say this problem, my wife's problem, worry, this worry. See?
this worry.
Tap bro. Everybody is going to tap. I mean, I'm not saying nothing. This worry. Side of the eyes. This worry. Upper lip. This worry. No, under the eye, sorry. This worry. Upper lip. This worry. Worry. Then chin. This worry. Bolo.
Oh, this worry.
I'm being for you.
Oh, okay. I don't tell them.
As if his wife's worry is your worry.
I know. This worry. My wife is very worried. Every time she asks, you have got COVID, anybody mugged you when you died? I said, no, I'm still alive. This worry. Chest, breastbone, sternum. This worry. Now, here. This worry. You know, it's just sore this part. It's not paining, but pain will be sore. This worry. Come on, say, I can't do it. Very good. Thank you. I like that.
This worry.
You know, quite enough. Say things. Let me rest in peace. This worry. Now here. This worry. This worry. Fingers. Well, ladies are going for manicure, no? Sometime in their life. So manicure side of it. This worry. This no ring finger we won't do. Little finger. This worry. Okay? Just one thing, you know. Like I'm not saying that 5 times, 10 times, just one. And then this, between the ring finger and little finger, this worry. Come on. See, if you want it fast, you must say it more. Yeah, faster. Okay, then this worry over my mind, and then when she come back, worry. Bus. Now say this.
Eyes closed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then. Now close your eyes, everyone. Take a deep breath through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Twice. You do it 3 times. Twice. And before opening your eyes, at least especially Mohammed will tell me what is happening. Be aware of what is happening, then open your eyes and talk. If you don't want to talk, don't talk, but just be aware.
Keep your eyes closed.
Glasses are missing. Mohammed, are you okay? So thank you. How is Babaji? What is happening with him? Tell me. Tell them.
Focusing on that.
Now, can you stop focusing on that? Then?
I got distracted. I'm not distracted. I got more engrossed on this.
Okay. Gotcha. What is the worry like now? What is happening now? Inside, what else? Focus the video here, no?
Video.
Can you take it with and focus? Just end that.
I'll show you.
Sorry, what else? Sorry.
Just end that this way.
Tell me more. And how much is the worry now?
From that side.
No, there, but how much is it? First it was 8, now how much is it?
It should be 8 only.
It's 8 only?
It should be. Because it's not gone away, right?
No, not gone away, I agree. But is it the same? Don't think too much.
No, what I'm
No, you
saying
don't,
is,
don't think too much. Don't think. It just will come spontaneously. Is there?
yes, it's
And
there.
how much is it? How
It's
much?
still
First,
on.
your body was very tense. Your body's illness. How is it? How will it go back normal?
Yeah,
How
body is a
it
little
feel?
bit more relaxed.
Ah, what is it feel loudly?
The body is more relaxed.
And mind?
Of course, yes.
What?
It's
Relax?
gone, yeah, it's a little bit more cool now.
How much? But tell me. No?
I think, let's say, 2 or 3 pounds down.
How much is that? It's 6, 5, 5, something. Okay. Now, any other thoughts coming to your mind? Any other thoughts, feelings, sensation in your body? You feel anywhere? It's very good. Okay. So we all do tapping once again. I think many people are leaving, but those who are there will tap again. Let's tap. Even though this worry is still there.
Even though this body
Worry is still there, but why? Yet I choose to deeply love and accept myself. You'll do it? How many times? Twice. On the karate chop one. Even though the worry about my wife's illness is still there, yet I choose to deeply love and accept myself. Even though the worry about my wife's illness is still there, yet I choose to deeply love. I can't hear anyone saying anything. You are mumbling or what? I can't hear. I become deaf in Dar es Salaam. I don't know what's happening to me. Yet I choose to
Love and accept.
deeply love, not love, deeply love.
Deeply love.
Now everybody love.
Accept myself.
accept myself.
Then, who remembers beginning of the eyebrow? This worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, side of the eye, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, under the eyes, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, upper lip, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, chin, this worry, this worry, this worry, this worry, worry. This worry for my this worry, then side of chest, worry, then this. Go on saying. The more you say, the more you go. Finger, this worry. No ring finger, then this then okay, you take out your topi for this, but